said that I couldn't do it. I take every word, burn it like fluid. Just a red light running right through it. On the top of the mountain, yeah, we fought our way up to the top of the mountain. Yeah, we never coming down from the top of the mountain. The higher you get, the further the fall. I didn't come all this way for me to lose it. Ooh, for the people that said that I couldn't do it, I take every word, burn it like fluid. Just a red light running right through it. I do it, I do it. For my people, for my team, for anybody trying to give a dream. Back in the day when it was just a dream. Now look at me, on top of the mountain. Yeah, we fought our way up to the top of the mountain. Yeah, we never coming down from the top of the mountain. Yeah, all this struggle just keeps me coming back dangerous. All this trouble just keeps me coming so high. But from way up here, I swear this game was made for us. 'Cause I can touch the sky. From the top of the mountain. From the top of the mountain. Yeah, we never coming down from the top of the mountain. Yeah, we fought our way up to the top of the mountain. Yeah, we never coming down from the top of the mountain. From the top of the mountain.
Brace yourself for a new category of large-scale RC vehicle. Because the line between RC and motorsport is about to be blurred. Introducing the world's first motorsport 5th scale RC. The all-new VEKTA.5 from Kraken RC. Experience Class 1500 Unlimited Buggy like never before. The world of large-scale RC has been redefined forever.